Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide apps on any Android phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just tap on hide apps. Now from here, just tap on hide apps. Now just select the apps which you want to hide. Just like that. Now once you select the apps which you want to hide, just tap on done. Now if you go to your home screen, as you can see, you cannot find the apps which you have hidden on your home screen or on the app drawer. Now if your Android smartphone does not have the hide app feature within the settings app, and if you want to enable the hide apps feature on your smartphone, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just download this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on agree and continue and tap on grant. Now from here, just enable this toggle. Now just tap on got it. Now from here, just enter a 4-digit PIN. Now once you enter a 4-digit PIN, just tap on the equal to button. Now from here, just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now once you confirm your PIN, just tap on the equal to button over here. Now just tap on skip and tap on skip. Now from here, just tap on this icon to hide your apps. Now just select the apps which you want to hide. Just like that. Now once you select the apps which you want to hide, just tap on next. Now just tap on enter. Now from here, just select calculator. Now from here, as you can see, you cannot find the hidden apps on your home screen or on your app drawer. Now to get access of the apps which you have hidden, just tap on the calculator app over here. Now just tap on continue. Now from here, just enter your PIN. Now just tap on the equal to button. Now from here, as you can see, these are the apps which we have hidden. And this is how you can hide apps on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.